Work-from-home opportunities exist across various fields and interests, allowing individuals to generate extra income while maintaining a flexible schedule. If you're searching for ways to earn money from home, consider one of these options. Room rentals. If you have spare rooms or basements in your home, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. This passive income stream requires minimal effort, as long as you provide comfortable accommodations and manage your rental listings effectively. Online tutoring. Leverage your knowledge and expertise by offering tutoring services online. Focus on teaching subjects or standardized tests, and advertise your services on online tutoring websites or through social media platforms. Virtual assisting. Remotely provide administrative support to clients, such as scheduling appointments, managing email, and organizing documents. Find opportunities through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. Freelance writing. Write content for various purposes, such as websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to different types of clients by providing specialized or broad writing services, and use platforms like Upwork or Freelancer to find potential jobs. Transcribing. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail and earn money by offering transcription services. Although this work may require transcribing less interesting topics, you'll be paid per audio hour, offering flexibility. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary for this task. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. While this option may not be highly lucrative, it offers flexibility and a chance to share your thoughts on various products and services. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing for in-home daycare services is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Build a loyal following, and you can generate passive income by sharing your thoughts and experiences on various topics. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Offer content that caters to specific skills or expertise, such as graphic design, cooking, or writing. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites, providing visuals for marketing materials and earning money. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Ensure your living situation and insurance are suitable for this task before offering your services. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Once established, consider transitioning to your own website for a more significant profit margin. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits by showcasing your skills through a variety of work samples and charging flat or hourly rates. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market your proofreading skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. By exploring these work-from-home opportunities, you can generate extra income while enjoying the flexibility of working from home. Remember to research each option thoroughly and choose the one that best suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle.